Welcome to today's video discussing the amazing benefits of olive oil at night. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Healthcare One, where we uncover simple yet powerful secrets for a healthier and happier you. Tonight, we're diving into something you might have overlooked, olive oil at night. Yes, this golden liquid isn't just for your salads or pastas. It's a nighttime ritual that can transform your health and beauty game. Sound incredible? Well, stick around. Olive oil is known as liquid gold for a reason. Packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory properties, it's a health powerhouse. But did you know that consuming a teaspoon of olive oil before bed or using it in your nighttime routine can have incredible benefits? Let's break it down. Before we jump into the video, a quick reminder. This video is just for education purposes only and is no substitute for medical advice or care. Please note, every piece of information here has been authenticated by a cadre of professional researchers. 1. Weight loss. Did you know that olive oil has gained attention not only as a cooking oil, but as part of a healthy diet? However, there may be some debate on whether this oil is helpful in weight loss or not. Because oil means fat. In this case, olive oil is a vegetable fat. In 2018, in the European Journal of Nutrition, researchers from the Federal University of Viçosa in Brazil reported that those who consumed olive oil instead of soybean oil for breakfast had lower blood pressure and fat levels. American nutritionist Kristen Curley said in a report published on this.com, weight loss is a complex process. Here diet, exercise, and rest play an important role. If you want to lose weight, you need to consume nutritious food along with fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. He added, olive oil is a fat. There are more calories than nutrients per gram of oil, so it's important to eat in moderation. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, adults should get 20 to 35% of their daily calories from fat. Eating olive oil will help in weight loss. Fat is high in calories. It helps to keep the stomach full for longer without consuming extra calories. Olive oil enhances the taste and aroma of food. As a result, food is healthy and delicious. Olive oil can play a role in a long-term diet plan to keep weight under control, says Carly. Next, number 2. Boosts digestion. Olive oil is a natural aid for digestive health, especially when consumed at night. Its primary component, oleic acid, helps stimulate the production of bile, a substance crucial for breaking down fats and aiding digestion. Additionally, olive oil contains compounds like polyphenol that reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, helping alleviate symptoms like bloating and discomfort. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology highlights that olive oil may also support gut motility, preventing constipation by softening stools and lubricating the digestive tract. Its antioxidant properties further protect the stomach lining from damage, reducing the risk of acid reflux and ulcers. Consuming a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed ensures your digestive system works smoothly overnight. Next, number 3. Control diabetes. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, is a secret weapon in the fight against type 2 diabetes. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, MUFAs, it slows the absorption of sugars, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes after meals. But it doesn't stop there. The powerful polyphenol in olive oil act as natural anti-inflammatory agents, targeting the inflammation linked to insulin resistance. Research published in Diabetes Care reveals that olive oil-rich diets can significantly boost insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons of this liquid gold daily can be a game changer, helping you manage diabetes while supporting overall health. Why not let olive oil work its magic for you? Next, number 4. Improve heart health. Olive oil, often called liquid gold, is a heart health powerhouse. Rich in monounsaturated fats, MUFAs, it helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL, reducing the risk of heart disease. What makes olive oil truly exceptional is its wealth of antioxidants, like vitamin E and polyphenol, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to heart problems. A groundbreaking study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that individuals following a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil had a 30% lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. Adding just 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to your daily routine can improve circulation, support healthy arteries, and keep your heart strong for years to come. Next, number 5. Skin health. Imagine waking up every day with skin that feels soft, looks radiant, and glows from within. What if I told you the secret isn't in expensive creams or serums, but something already in your kitchen? Olive oil. This liquid gold is packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenol that fight aging, reduce wrinkles, and protect your skin from harmful environmental damage. It's not just about beauty. Olive oil goes deeper, repairing your skin barrier and locking in moisture for a silky, hydrated feel. And here's the best part. It's gentle enough for all skin types, even the most sensitive. Say goodbye to dryness, redness, and irritation. Just a few drops of extra virgin olive oil before bed can transform your skin while you sleep. Ready to let your natural glow shine? Let me show you how to make this your ultimate skincare essential. Next, number 6. Improve sleep quality. Struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep? The answer might be in your kitchen. Olive oil isn't just a cooking staple, it's a natural remedy for improving sleep quality. Now the question in your mind is how it actually works. Olive oil is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that help stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those late-night energy crashes or hunger pangs. Its anti-inflammatory properties also calm your body, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Plus, olive oil supports brain health by providing essential nutrients that enhance the production of serotonin, that feel-good hormone linked to better sleep. Take just 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed, and let this liquid gold work its magic. Wake up refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the day. Sweet dreams start with olive oil. Next, number 7. Boosts hair health. Want strong, shiny, and healthy hair? Look no further than olive oil, the ultimate hair care hero. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, olive oil nourishes your scalp, strengthens your hair strands, and reduces breakage. Massaging a few drops of extra virgin olive oil into your scalp promotes blood circulation, stimulating hair growth and revitalizing damaged roots. Its deep conditioning properties lock in moisture, banish frizz, and leave your hair soft, smooth, and manageable. Plus, olive oil fights dandruff by soothing dryness and irritation on your scalp. Forget expensive hair treatments. Olive oil is the natural solution your hair has been craving. Add it to your routine and let your hair shine like never before. Ready for a hair transformation? Start tonight. Next, number 8. Supports brain health. Did you know that olive oil isn't just good for your body? It's also a game changer for your brain? This liquid gold is packed with powerful antioxidants like polyphenol and healthy monounsaturated fats that protect brain cells and improve cognitive function. Studies have shown that olive oil helps combat oxidative stress, which can lead to memory decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It also supports better blood flow to the brain, ensuring it gets the nutrients and oxygen it needs to stay sharp and focused. In fact, research from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease reveals that regular olive oil consumption can enhance memory and learning. Just a drizzle a day can keep your mind clear, sharp, and ready for anything. Fuel your brain with olive oil, the secret to mental clarity and long-term health. So, whether it's for your heart, skin, sleep, or overall health, olive oil truly is nature's gift to us. Start incorporating this liquid gold into your daily routine and experience the transformation for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips, and let me know in the comments how olive oil has made a difference in your life. Here's to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.